A sentence handed down on live TV.
I am conscious of the heavy reality that I am about to sentence you, a man of advanced years, who has led an otherwise blameless life, to a significant period of imprisonment.
Australian Judge Peter Kidd speaking before issuing a 6-year prison sentence to Cardinal Pell. Once a top aide to Pope Francis, the Cardinal was convicted in December on allegations he abused minors in 1996 when he was Archbishop of Melbourne. The guilty verdict came during a retrial of the accusations. The first trial ended in a hung jury. Throughout both proceedings, Cardinal Pell has insisted he's innocent. He's appealing the conviction, and Australia's Supreme Court has put that appeal on a fast track. The case will be back in court this June. A number of legal experts have raised questions about the Pell verdict. In a column published in the current edition of the Tablet, noted Catholic writer George Weigel calls the charges against Cardinal Pell a, quote, travesty of justice, thanks in part to a public atmosphere of hysterical anti-Catholicism, a fetid climate that had a devastating impact on the possibility of his receiving a fair trial. The sentencing judge turned the Cardinal's insistence that he's not guilty into a strike against him.
You maintain your innocence in relation to this offending, which is your right, and as a consequence, there is no evidence of your remorse or contrition for me to act upon to reduce your sentence.
After the sentence was imposed, the father of an alleged victim who died of a drug overdose said the sentence should have been longer.
I was hoping 20 years, and I thought realistically maybe 10. 6, well, I don't think that is sufficient, especially when you think the minimum is going to be 3.5.
The Vatican has opened a church investigation into the Pell case. George Weigel writes in the Tablet he hopes they will exonerate Pell because Weigel claims there is zero evidence the Cardinal committed abuse. Emily Druby, Currents News.